If you're trying to figure out which is the best help desk software, Zoho Desk versus Jira Service Management, you're in the right place. These two options are among the most popular choices for businesses looking to improve customer service, but which one truly stands out? Stick around, and we'll dive into their strengths, weaknesses, and I'll reveal a better alternative that you may not have considered. First up, Zoho Desk. Zoho Desk is known for its ease of use and flexibility. It provides a range of features like multi-channel support, automation, and reporting tools. The standout here is its ticket management system, which allows you to organize and prioritize issues efficiently. If you're a small to medium-sized business, Zoho Desk's interface is intuitive, making it relatively simple for your team to get up and running. Next thing, let's talk about pricing. Zoho Desk's pricing is competitive and offers a freemium model with the option to upgrade as needed. For small teams, the free plan provides core features like ticket management, knowledge base, and email support. However, the advanced features like automation and SLA management come with the paid tiers. If you're looking for an affordable option that scales well, Zoho Desk is hard to beat. Now, let's shift gears to Jira Service Management. Jira Service Management, which is part of the Atlassian suite, is often a go-to for larger teams, especially those already using Jira software. It's robust and flexible, designed for teams that need powerful ticketing and project management features. With advanced automation, incident management, and integrations with other Atlassian products, it's a great choice if you want a comprehensive, enterprise-level solution. But here's the catch. Jira Service Management is more complex and can be overwhelming for smaller teams. Its steep learning curve means it might not be the best choice for those just looking for an easy-to-implement solution. While its features are powerful, it could feel like overkill if you don't need deep integration with development tools or IT workflows. The fourth thing is performance and customization. Zoho Desk offers a customizable ticketing workflow and detailed reporting, but Jira Service Management takes the customization to the next level, especially when integrated with other tools in the Atlassian ecosystem. However, this comes at a price, both in terms of time and money. On top of that, while Zoho Desk is generally more accessible for smaller businesses, Jira Service Management caters more to mid-market and enterprise-level businesses. If you're a startup or a small business, Jira might be too heavy-duty for your needs. Zoho Desk, on the other hand, is easier to adapt and offers better scalability at an entry-level price point. One of the drawbacks of Zoho Desk is that while it's feature-packed for the price, it can be a bit rigid when it comes to advanced reporting and analytics. Jira Service Management, however, shines here with its more sophisticated reporting and the ability to pull in data from various channels. But that complexity can be both a pro and a con depending on your team size and skill set. So, which one is truly the best? Both Zoho Desk and Jira Service Management have their merits, but if you're looking for a more user-friendly interface, affordable pricing, and an easy learning curve for your team, Zoho Desk is a solid option. That said, if you're in a larger organization with more complex needs, or you're already using Atlassian products, Jira Service Management might be your best bet despite the added complexity. But after trying all of these myself, I have to recommend a better alternative. It's a simpler, more efficient solution that will meet your goals without the steep learning curve of Jira Service Management or the limitations of Zoho Desk. If you're ready to take your customer support to the next level, check out the free trial linked in the description. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers.